In this video, I will show you how to add new users inside Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is very useful if you want to create email accounts for staff, team members, departments, or additional users in your organization. So let's just go. The first thing you do is to log into Microsoft 365 Admin Center with your login credentials. Then you are logging. This is the home page. Now, to add users, there are different ways to add users. You can go to active user. You can click on active user and then you add user. Okay, and then also you see here to under active user, you can delete users, you can add multi-factor authentication to the user, you can search an active user, and you can add multiple users. Now in this Microsoft 365 Business Basic, you can have up to 300 users, for you can accommodate 300 users. Now let's go back. You can also add users by clicking on add here. Click on add and then you set up the basics. You are provided with the option to add users information, so go ahead and add and click next. Then you assign the product license to the user. We are using one user now, so we assign that license to that particular user. So check Microsoft 365 Business Basic. That's the subscription or the plan we are using. You have option to customize the apps the user may have access to. Okay, you have up to 37 of them, so you can customize it or you ignore it and leave it as it is. Then when you are done, just click next, and then you can decide the role the user will play, either as an admin or normal user. Then you click next. You have some optional settings to handle. Simply click next and finish adding and you are done. And you can add up to 300 users. Thank you for watching.